push it in there until it snaps into place. You have to twist it in and you'll feel it have a definite little give, a little notch area to slip it in. Then there's a slot on the back. This is this type. Not all of them are the same. And then there's this lip here that catches up underneath that, okay? Kind of snap it up in there and voila. Done. That simple. Got that one. I was kind of surprised that they had them at the store, but you know, if you're not looking around for bulbs like this, you will not see them. Okay, so I got a little slot there. Fit it in there, turn it, twist. You got to twist all the way and it will fit right in there. Now this one's a little bit longer and it's kind of bowed a little bit, so hopefully it'll fit up in there where it's supposed to. I just have to kind of push it along. Looks like, yeah. There it is. It's like that. And all the people said, ooh.